In this video, I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT to design a website with zero coding. You might not know what ChatGPT is. ChatGPT is an AI model that can literally answer almost any question you want it to answer. I have been using it for a while right now. I think it's very, it enhanced my work and make it easier for me. But I say, hi ChatGPT, website, any idea or something? Or like, showed me a lot of things: blogging platform, e-commerce, portfolio, website, online learning platform, travel, and sort of. So with this tutorial, we'll be using portfolio website. So ask ChatGPT, I will use the third option. Give me this. Don't really need them. Just talking about define your goals, plan your content, and others. So that's not what I'm looking for. So I told you, please, can you give me a structure to create this kind of website? So you wrote them quite well. Homepage, you'd be like, you have introduction, featured work, about me, and contact information. Probably another page, portfolio, categories, project categories, project pages, and probably some sort of another page services about. So I give you sections on how it can be easily worked out, a kind of structure of a website. So with this structure, please create the website homepage. So give me this code here, this code, all of it. He did it. I think he did that. It said, I think he didn't put the nav bar. I think he left. I should put my logo and the nav bar myself. As I told you guys, we are not going to actually code in this tutorial. Or actually, like uh, there is a CSS framework called Bootstrap. So ask him, do you know Bootstrap? Say yes, I'm familiar with Bootstrap. Bootstrap is a popular CSS framework. Here we go. So he knows about the Bootstrap. So he gave me, I think, Bootstrap 5.3.0. So, and this is the link to the Bootstrap 5.3.0. Now, so I told ChatGPT to use it as my CSS. He joined them together. I think this is the code I will be copying right now. He joined them together to give me a almost full website right now. So I'm going to copy it and move over to my VS Code. So here is the code. Uh, for now, I'm not using this. I'm not going to use this link. I downloaded it locally. So I'm just going to apply my local link or some to make it easier for us to load it. So I will delete this is mini.css. Same thing with here, mini.css. Add it here. Then we go to the JavaScript too. At the bottom, it's still mini.js. I still take the mini.js from here and add it. So let's load this website right now because you're working with this. Let me copy the link. Okay, live server. Oh, copy paths. Let's copy paths. Boom. Yeah, we have a website, your name, your profession, all this bracket, you place it with your real name and email address, your phone number, and stuff. So, but there's still empty spaces here. Let's go back to ChatGPT and yeah, demo, a demo to replace add a demo to add a demo to short projects, short project item. So we copy this code here, then we replace it with this featured featured work. They comprise of image, title, and then description, then probably a button. I added this image, just brought it to from my local file. I added it here because ChatGPT doesn't provide you with images. So let's take a look. Boom. That is how our website is looking so far. We have a welcome to my portfolio, and then see as our featured work is looking. Can add a sample image talking about the work you do, the title, description, view. There's a button that will be linking to another page whereby you can easily view more details about a specific featured work you deliver. Then the second one is let's go back to our VS Code. Here in the VS Code, we identify that here right now is the image. So I copied the image and added it to about me, about me here. Then I brought my image also. I added it here, see it here, added it here, added this way, digital, light, added it. Let me also add digital solid to the header also, digital solid. And copy it, also paste it here. Where else? Okay, I'm passionate about programming. Digital light, button about programming, showcasing creativity, and so about me, my image. They can brief, can put a briefing about yourself here. Also replace it with your name. They said add a contact form here. Okay, let's not add an email. Let's follow the rules or maybe what he said. Add a contact form. Let's still go ask ChatGPT to give us a contact form. Please help me with form code that will have name, email, and message. Then it provides you with a basic template on the details you ask for. As in, we don't need all these big things. We just need this form here. We need this form here. Since it's something provided before, we need this form here. So we just copy the form and add it to our code. So I think let's um, form, name, email, and let's say then submit. Using ChatGPT makes the work easier and faster. So ChatGPT is a plus for us. Do well to like and subscribe. Thank you.